Ka nongilam keseng Kongres bat Menteri Berim ke Sorkar Jela ke beram marak kala pentip bahkan sepenong jingelang bat kinongilam keseng harengkat kit khot ke blok bat Distrik Kongres hakalai terik risau hatura Kongres Bahawan ban yikren halor kit action MP ke ban Selong. Kit khot ke mahila bat Youth Congress kin ya don rengkat hakate kesni. Da ka bapen pau ya kejing skus kem ban job ke Kongres Natura ke debora ke balong ke MLA Barim na William Nagar kala ong ba kala kloy ban yakun Natura bat ke syong sa ka rai jong ka AICC.
Parties, partners, they will discuss and they will work on it. It will depend on the party leadership. If they ask me to contest, I think so. Party procedure, AICC will tell us when to submit our forms and all. So we will follow the procedure of the AICC.